but it's just a way of saying notes based on what key you're in. So essentially what we're talking about is going from syllables to intervals relative to the root of the key. So here we're going to talk about the root of the key being do. So we're going to start working off of here. So if you have do and do, let's say we have a little, give me a second here, excuse my bad treble clef. Say you have two notes that you guys are singing in a choir, right? And they are both that do. That's called singing in unison, as many of you might know. So that's the first thing. Second, if you change it, I'm not going to do this for everyone, but just to get you the gist of what we're talking about. If you're going from do to re, then you're going to have a major second, is what it's called. So this is the distance here. And because you're going from one to the next, it's a second. So if you guys are singing this together, you just have to know that that's what it is. And then it goes up and onward from there. Mi is going to be a major third. Fa is a special one. It's called a perfect fourth, but it's that same idea of 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect fourth. Same with fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're at a perfect fifth now. And if you go up from there, you have a sixth, la, and you're going back to major sixth, and then ti, major seventh, and do is a perfect octave. So for the perfect octave, you're going from here to do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, up here. If you're singing both of those notes in a choir, you're singing the octave up. It's fun, it's easy, pretty straightforward. There are ways to get more complicated with this, such as augmented, and just it's you adding sharps or flats to change it, and it gets you majors to minors and so on. But today we're just going over the basics. So that is essentially what intervals and solfege are. Solfege all have their notes or their hand signs. It can be nice to know those, so let's go over those.